Okay, here is a normal piece of paper. And I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. What I need to do, first step, is fold your piece of paper so it's level at the end. Then open it up. Then fold one corner to about there. Get another corner and try and get it about the same distance. And then if you want to make a jet, do that again. And on the other side. And then you need to fold it like this. Do that. And then open it up like that to make the wings. And on the other side. And then you have one paper aeroplane. Then I have this small pen and I put flames on it. It's just a rough sketch of flames, or you can put anything on it. Look.
And that's how you make a paper aeroplane.